Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Arborvitae green giant. First, selecting the right site is crucial for your green giant success. These majestic trees thrive in full sun, ideally receiving at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day, though they can tolerate some partial shade. Good drainage is also key, so if your soil is heavy clay, enrich it with plenty of organic compost to improve its structure. Prepare your planting hole to be 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball, but only as deep as the root ball itself. Now, let's get your green giant into the ground. Carefully take the Arborvitae out of its container, being mindful not to damage the root ball. If you notice any roots circling around, gently tease them apart to encourage outward growth. Position the tree in the center of your prepared hole, making sure the top of the root ball is perfectly level with the existing ground. Then, backfill the hole with your amended soil, lightly tamping it down to eliminate any air pockets around the roots. After planting, immediate and consistent watering is vital. Give your newly planted Arborvitae a deep, thorough watering right away, ensuring the entire root ball is completely saturated. Next, apply a generous layer of organic mulch, about 2 to 3 inches deep, around the base of the tree. Remember to keep the mulch a few inches away from the trunk to prevent moisture buildup. For the first growing season, water your green giant regularly, typically 1 to 2 times per week, especially during dry spells, to establish a strong root system. For long-term health, continue to monitor your green giant's soil moisture, watering deeply when the top few inches feel dry. In early spring, you can give it a boost with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer specifically designed for evergreens, following the product's instructions carefully. Pruning is generally minimal for these trees. Focus on removing any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. You can also lightly prune to maintain its natural pyramidal shape or to manage its impressive growth, which can reach up to 60 feet tall and 15 feet wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.